Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I will detail how to turn down alarm volume on iPhone. So if you want to reduce your alarm volume on your iPhone so that the volume level will be minimal, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Mark you, there are two ways to turn down or reduce alarm volume on your iPhone. The first one is go ahead and open the clock application. Now select the alarm whose volume you want to turn down or reduce. Then go ahead and click on sound. Then here, select the alarm sound you want to use as this alarm sound. Then once you selected the alarm sound, you want to use the volume down button or your iPhone to reduce the alarm sound or the alarm volume. You see that? Then once you reduce the alarm volume to the barest minimum, hit the back button. Now go ahead and click on the save button. Then this is going to reduce the alarm volume on your iPhone. Alternatively, if that is not working for you or you are unable to use the volume down button and the volume up button to increase or reduce the alarm volume, go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on sounds and haptics. Under sounds and haptics, you want to reduce this ringtone and alert volume like this. Then once that is reduced to that level, this is going to also reduce the alarm volume. However, if you want to change the alarm volume with your side button, make sure change with volume is enabled so that you can easily use this volume down button or volume up button to reduce the alarm volume. And once that is done, you can now hit the back button. So literally, once you've set the alarm volume to this particular level, you can just disable change with buttons so that when your alarm rings, you'll not be able to reduce the volume with the side button. So that is exactly how to turn down alarm volume on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.